nhớ trong nữa nó nóng của tụi mình xài là cái gì mua tỏi chết chi tỏi mình xài tỏi có tụi này lâu tỏi phải phải bút tỏi nữa ba từ trong gấu thì món của tụi mình xài là cái gì món tụi mình chỉ lú cơ nữa tụi mình xài xong tụi mình bé xong yeah lúc pepper lo lo tự làm mà sống
Eat it.
yeah we can pick out and eat it later alright
What? You like pepper? No, I know. Bessie, do you like papaya when it's spicy?
come here hold hand come here
Papaya.
okay come here see Chichi walk already
Mommy, I like.
yeah look at my Chichi go back over there alright now my pretty good turn walk nicely tụi mình chỉ shit tha ok lo lơ tông cả nhân chăm mà thế rằng câu mà ở đây lo lơ lo tụi nó là ok hold hand wow look at my pretty queen and my chichi this too beautiful không có cha liều mà mình ở từ mình xài từ thay đua nữa gì lũ butterfly is coming chụp ba mà rong go mùng bậy về nhà lọ chứ từ rong câu nó từ gì do you see butterfly? Yeah, he's over there. Ôi rong câu mình xài, ôi chị con.
Mama, blow my bubble.
Yung buong babo. Yung kay one umbrella.
Yeah. Because I'm hot. Mommy, I want the meme one.
Oh yeah. Next time go by go. How about we go CDD on the back side? Go.
Yay.
Then go the other side. Go this way. Go this way. No, this way. Go.
Ooh, 2 butterflies.
Oh, now butterflies keep coming to our house. See that? Wow, and bumblebee too. Ooh. Go pick up some pear for you. Sao mà mình giờ đi hả? Sao mà mình giờ đi sao? Cho tụi nó go nó sẽ. Cho đi xe ởนู่นnào vào tao gì? Nếu bảo tao bỏ cầu đi bên sai. Do you see đi yet? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Wait for me. Don't go too fast. Stay here. Stay here. What are these?
Tomato.
Go slowly walk and I'll picture you.
Another butterfly.
Oh, under the butterfly there.
There's 2.
Oh my God, what are they doing there?
One in the back,
Yeah.
but there's 4 coming.
Okay, go. Go, Pita. Pita, no. Jadi nó lo xe chúng nó bỏ lấy nó nữa cũng bỏ đuôi gì nó ấm dày I see one down here chứ mấy ai đứa con nào đi của nó nữa đi từ từ ta tao con nào rồi giờ chứ đừng nước của tụi mình xài vào tao đây nữa nhớ giờ lấy đây thế nữa đây của tụi bỏ của nó nên tao lú rồi cái lọ thế nó bên núi chị tao tôi đây được chưa là từ trong câu lo lì có bỏ lông baby đi để câu làm mình xài yeah núi chị ấy có lúc cửa tôi đây thì chứ chị muốn cho này rồi thôi có này ok chưa cần nó lo cho nó mà wow so windy I like it wow look at it somebody gonna fly. Wow. Go see the other one. Daddy, Didi, over there. Go check. Yeah, go with Chicky over there. This one big. I see one here.
Let me see.
Here.
Oh,
Here.
I see it.
Where?
What's here?
Ồ, có bảy luôn được cơ. Sao như khó tư. Oh, the baby one. You see a big one here? Right there.
So, they're ready.
Right here. Really long.
Can you put them on?
Yeah, that's a big one, huh? Right?
It's supposed to be little, but not big.
I know it's supposed to be little, but now it's big. Wow.
Now can we eat it?
Not yet. Wait until the bigger, okay? Then we can come and pick up, okay? Yeah.
Mommy, it looks like a cucumber.
And my pumpkin is here too. Look at that.
Let me see. Oh, I see
My
it.
baby pumpkin.
Mommy, I see a baby. Mommy, I see a baby with it.
Mhm.
When my pumpkin tried to grow, it died.
Oh yeah.
In the winter. A little one.
Yeah, I see a baby one right there too.
Cute.
So cute. Okay, now we can go pick up some pear.
Yay!
Pear one for each. Chichi, wait for her turn. You guys go come slow.
Oh, I see baby.
Yeah, that's a big one too, huh? Oh my goodness.
Let's go get some pears.
Mhm.
But mommy, I never see me pick up the pears yet.
Oh yeah.
I don't.
Because they didn't want to eat, only you guys want to eat. Các bé
Why
chỉ
did they
mà trông.
plant it for, mommy?
Lo, tại sao? Chỉ mà xin chưa theo tư ở trong nó nè. Ở bên núi sổ nó thì lia cho nó thì trong nó đó. Tôi sẽ tuần sai tới mình để luôn lia thì cá mình sai. Pick the right ones. The one too small is not good yet.
Is
Huh.
this one red?
Yeah, like this one. Here, I give you one.
Mommy, is this one red?
Yeah, that one okay. See?
Mommy,
Yeah,
this one red?
yeah. That one good.
I picked it.
Yeah. So pretty, huh? Wow. Butterfly want to see you guys too. They say, why you guys so pretty? Wow, so windy. Look at that. Oh, so windy. Why so windy now?
Don't worry, I found it even redder one.
Only pick up the black one, okay? Nó từng nhẹ bằng con tôi đẹp chỉ nào. You got one? Try it's good or no? Pick up the one behind you. I picked that one for you. This one tastes better. See?
Maybe the darker ones taste better. You're already eating it? We can't eat it because we have lipstick on.
Don't worry. You can eat too.
Just eat it.
Okay, and then bring the baby one. When you go home, you can eat it.
You can't eat it. Too sad to eat, then die.
Go stay on that side. I see the cỏ lọ bật tiêu, cục quý, nó tiêu. Đâu nè.
They're just hanging on to it. There
Can you
might
see
be a
down here?
rabbit in here.
So you see down here, picture you with the coco. See that?
Mommy, can I eat it? Mama, grape looking. This is
Oh,
grape.
look like a grape. Oh my god, yeah, it's grape, huh?
Where?
Right
Right
there.
here.
Grape.
Oh, I see it.
So cute, huh?
What's doing here? What's doing here?
Wait until it's good. They're so cute, huh? Oh, wow, grape, huh?
They look so
I
adorable.
know, all to buy just grape,
I
huh?
feel like I want to pick one.
Yeah, they're so pretty, huh? Look at that.
I feel like
Wow.
I
Yeah, there are three of them. It's a grape, huh? Wow.
Those green.
Ow.
What, mommy?
I squeeze in the poppet.
You squeeze it in the top.
Oh, sit down here. Sit here. Okay,
Oh, there are.
I killed it. Okay, go. Sit down here.
Well, I can't fit because I'm big.
Go down so your hand don't stuck. Okay, alright. Don't move, okay? Your hand gonna stop. Look at you. I see a lot to go on behind your head, right there. Oh.
Can I pick it up? Oh, wow. Mommy, this tastes good.
Yeah,
Mom, can I eat this?
yeah.
You can eat it from the tree if you want. Can I eat this?
Yeah, you can.
I can't because I don't have.
Đừng có mong. Tôi nó chỉ
This
Okay.
one nothing.
thế sẽ là nothing.
Eat the red piece then.
Chỉ tôi luôn nó hả?
Maybe Gunju just don't like pears, so that's why.
Oh, yeah. It tastes good. How is it?
And what if the rabbit came here and see you and ran away?
Rabbit gonna say, hello, beautiful girl.
And what if Gunju runs away?
Tossing the ball. Chichi, hi. Hi, beautiful. Cuckoo, stay there. I picture you one first. Cuckoo, you go see. Yeah, go one more time. I take one picture first. I didn't capture picture yet. Yeah. Okay, sit down. Okay. All right, don't move. Okay. All right. Don't. Okay, careful. My hair gonna start in there. All right. Pretty, hello. Look at me. Look at me. Cheese. Cheese.
Mommy,
How is it?
this is pear.
Oh.
I'm like, Mommy, this, the other trees seem a little close. But Mommy, they're not planting a cherry tree over there. They're making an apple tree or pear tree.
Don't move,
They're
okay?
making a pear tree.
Có mua gì có mỏng can có hả? Okay, 1 second. Let me still see my pretty queen eat first.
Okay, so you don't sound.
You wanna sit out there
Sit down.
under the tree?
No,
Come on,
no.
you sit down here. Sit on the shoe. Got it?
Mommy, why are you doing that?
She looks so cute. Whoa, somebody eat pears so good, huh?
So you do like pears, don't you? I can't eat mine.
Yeah, you can. But somebody don't have tea, she cannot eat it.
No.
Từ nó lon nè, nó chỉ lấy hai miệng không có mong. Từ miệng không có nó tôi rồi nó phía nó chẳng tôi chỉ cú hiện thế chưa tôm bẩn từ từ miệng không có nó tôi nhớ rồi rồi nó một con hea chè từ nó cá nữa.
I just peeled one off.
Dạ. Tự nó một con hea thì tao nó cá.
Can we go inside now because I want to eat this pig?
Còn hea chè chỉ tao nó hai đừng có mong từ nhỏ đừng có mong gì luôn.
What on me?
Close your leg. Yeah, put it like that. Huh? Wow, you eat your super good, huh? Look at you. Hi, Chichi.
Hi.
You look tired. I like the baby on the behind. Okay, don't eat. I make pretty first. Cheese. Cheese. Put the chicken on your head. Okay, okay, look at me. Yeah, look at me. Look at my phone. Look at my phone. Cheese. Cheese. Yeah, big bite. Look at this. Close. Leg, I see. Bob. Okay, like that. Don't open it.
But it's too spicy.
Cheese. Thì nhau cá chín tông nữa, chín mặn tông thiếu luôn để cho lo là không cho tàu.
Can we go outside, Mommy?
Mình nhớ lần có Việt Nam ăn nó cá mua còn này chỉ mình tao no đó. Dan chế mà purchase mà.
Just throw in the
Yeah, and then pick the brave one.
There?
Yeah.
Not to eat it?
Yeah. If you want to eat, you can eat it.
You can eat it from
You
the
eat this
tree.
one. Hey, eat this one. I just try. Eat the red one. It's better. Chỉ tao chỉ nó trên này. Cá tiền nó big bite mà mình say không? How is it? Good. Wow. How about you? You cannot eat it.
Yeah.
You started tea. You had.
I can't.
Yeah, when we go home, I got it. But now I'm not got it.
Mommy, my nose only have a runny nose when it gets hot.
What?
My nose gets another runny nose when it gets hot.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see butterfly. Keep coming on the back. Oh, I see some cocoa on her head. Look. Some cocoa start on your head. Oh, you got 2 cocoa on your head. Another one. Spin around. It's in your head. Right here. They start in your head. You see? Still green. That one's still green.
Wait, Mommy, it looks kind of like a fruit hand. Like one of those things outside.
It's good? Good?
I ate 2 apples.
Oh, it's pear, it's an apple. Eat 2 pear. I just pick up from my hair and ate it, right? Look at your head. Yeah, they're gonna start in there again.
I tried to enjoy it.
Yeah.
Mommy, can we go inside?
1 minute.
1 minute, but 1 minute is a long time.
Don't make pajama. I still want to stay outside.
Mommy, I wish my phone. Baba, I like watching my phone.
Just so on the back. Yeah, so cute, huh? Yeah. Hold that cocoa, I picture you. Yeah, like that. Don't pour it, just hold it. Yeah, like that. Too much. Don't eat too much, okay? Okay. Put the one that's black, so it's good. That one's so green and not good yet.
Which one is it?
The other one.
This one?
Yeah, that one better.
What's this one?
Yeah. Pick that one at home.
Is it all wet?
Yeah. Let me wipe it for you. Eat that one. I open for you. You want some too? Huh? Yeah? Eat that one. Baby. Panama. Sit down, kapong. Sit down nicely. No more, okay?
Mama, I want to take off my hair.
Okay. Just one. Just one.
I want to take it off.
Okay, one picture first.
I
Okay.
want to take it off.
Okay, I take it off right now.
Thankfully, Minnesota Democrats passed the law protecting
Wait,
abortion rights
when you finish, you
anyway.
go.
At least someone supports me making my own decisions.
Save money with Snapshot ProView. Instant.
So pretty, huh? It's golden. Look at those apple and the pear. Look at those pear behind you.
Mommy's pushing me.
Picture you? It's so pretty, huh? Look at you.
Can I take off my hat? Hello.
Hello.